Welcome back everybody to Crypto Mindset. Today we're looking at Chainlink. I haven't looked at it for a while. We will start with the weekly time frame. We're looking at the USD pairing first. You can see on the weekly time frame we're having 3 consecutive red wicks. That was really bad. The people that holding Chainlink was panicking, capitulating, and it was actually when Bitcoin decided to poop the bed here, and it started the avalanche on Chainlink. Okay, now this week we are forming a green wick. Now we're starting to form a green wick. Let's see how we close the week. Nothing is certain, but so far looks okay. Now look on the longer time frame. You can see we're still respecting the rising trend line here. This is our rising trend line of Chainlink, the long-term rising trend line. That's what we're looking to define. Are we in a bullish long-term trend or are we in a bearish long-term trend? And for my opinion, as long as we are above this rising trend line or rising channel, however you want to call it, it doesn't matter. The concept is what matters, that we're making a higher lows on the longer term. This is probably was our dip, okay? This was probably our dip. I actually bought here at around $2. I bought a little bit. I had an order also on 1.8 that it didn't came, so dip, but that's okay. And now I'm holding it. I might add more. Let's see what's going to happen. But let's look first on the daily chart. Okay, I want to look on the daily chart to see what we can see here. Let's look at the daily chart. The daily chart. You can see this is where the avalanche started. After we formed this ascending triangle, we had this ascending triangle forming. Everybody was bullish. And I was bullish as well because we were making higher lows, and on the same resistance, squeezing on the same resistance. That's a bullish formation. I was expecting a breakout up, but we broke out to the lower range because Bitcoin decided to crash, and that's what happened. When Bitcoin crashed, everything crashed with it. So since then we had been in a bearish small term trend, very bearish channel. You can see this channel that we broke out of it. I'm still waiting for confirmation to stay above it for a while, let's say a week or two, to really feel confident that we are on the bullish side now. Now, very important to have a look on the EMAs. The EMAs show us the real deal. Okay, you can see every time we came to test the 200 EMA, that was our bottom. That was our bottom in this bullish long-term trend. As well, we bounced from it. We've been trading in this ascending triangle, had a bullish cross here of the pink over the golden one, but it was a fake out. And right now we bounced from the 200 EMA again. Now let's see if we can stay above it and bounce above it. We will actually reverse this death cross that come in here. Okay, the bearish cross here. Let's hope that it will not come. I'm looking to break it. If we can break above this 2 EMAs here on a high volume, that will be fantastic for Chainlink. It looks good. It looks really good. It looks like it's picking up some volume now today and in the last few days, but especially today we're having this nice candle here. We're getting some rejection on the 2.3 area. We get some rejection, but I'm optimistic. I'm long-term bullish, and I'm also short-term bullish because we bounced from this 200 EMA. As long as we are respecting this 200 EMA, I'm bullish. If we go below it, I will cut my position and I'm gonna wait for the next dip or opportunity. Okay, what else I wanted to show you? The Chainlink. Let's look on the Ichimoku cloud. The Ichimoku cloud. What happened to my Ichimoku? All right, you can see we are testing on this cloud now. We're testing this cloud now. This will be our resistance we need to cross above it. If we can make cross above it, that will be bullish to me. As well, guys, if you hold in Chainlink, don't panic. This little friend gonna be all right. I think it's gonna be okay. Let's see on the BTC chart what's gonna happen. Let's see on the BTC chart what's happening. In the BTC chart, you can see the cloud is actually our support. You can see we tested this cloud from the bullish scenario. You can see we bouncing from this cloud. This is great. This is great. And we also made a higher low here, just like on the USD. This was our low, and this is our higher low. All right. Now we're testing this area of resistance. We tested few times. One time here. The second time we tested was on October. The third time we tested on 15th of November. And I'm looking the next time, I think the next time we're gonna test it, I think we're going to break above it, because the more time you're testing the same level, the chances of it breaking rising. Okay, hope you understand the analogy here. And yeah, I'm quite bullish here. You can see the Ichimoku looks great on the BTC chart. Let's look on the EMA. On the BTC chart, on the EMA looks really good. We actually above the golden line and above the pink line. So that's great. That's how it's supposed to be in a bullish trend. 200, 150 EMAs. This is the order. And if we can climb above it, that would be great. And we're looking to test the all-time high, guys. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Where do you think Chainlink is going? Do you think Chainlink is going to stay bullish in the next half a year? Do you think Chainlink is gonna outperform the market? Do you think Chainlink is going to $1? Do you think Chainlink is going to zero? Please write a comment down below. Tell me what you think about Chainlink. If you have any news, upcoming news of Chainlink, listing, staking, fundamentals event, please write down in the comment below, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Thank you.